Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Septi Nurul Aini from 6th semester, and today I would like to present my research proposal, and the title is The Use of Photographs to Enhance Students' Writing Performance of the 7th grade students at Langgu Junior High School in the academic year of 2021-2022. Okay, next for overview, we have 3 chapters in here. Chapter 1 Introduction, Chapter 2 Literature Review, and Chapter 3 Research Methodology. Introduction. A background of the study. Why students' writing skills? Among the other skills, the writing skills has to be learned more by students in school for the reason that they use writing as a communicative way of sharing information, thought, experiences, or ideas informed in their daily life. According to Harmer, 2004, the speakers of a foreign language should be able to write as this skill becomes the vital skill as much as for everyone using their first language. Writing skills need specific skill which include the writer's ability to express thought and feeling clearly in the process of writing, because writing is a complex skill. Why use photograph? Walter 2004 proposed that the contextual instruction in the classroom can be done by providing visual or realia. Photographs will represent 1,000 words since one photograph will tell the student something related to the real object. Considering the benefits mentioned, photographs are chosen to be one of media or technique in writing text such as procedure, narrative, recount, and descriptive. Students' English writing skill in the Langgu Junior High School is still lacking. They still have difficulty in writing English such as descriptive text, procedure text, or narrative text. However, the students' speaking, reading, and listening skill is good. Okay, next, B. Problem statement. First, how can the writing target be achieved by students in enhancing writing performance? Number 2, how photographs can enhance students' writing performance in English? C. Objectives of the study. First, to explain the writing target that be achieved by students through some stage in enhanced writing performance. Second, to explain the photographs can enhance students' writing performance in English. D. Significance of the study. For the English teacher, this research can provide some information and knowledge about the use of photograph in the process of teaching English with writing skills in the classroom. For the students, the use of photographs have an influence on students' understanding of the material in the English writing skills. Students' understanding will also affect the ability of writing skill and the quality of students' writing. And E. Definition of key terms. Photographs is a photo which is only created by the camera to capture a moment or event at a certain time. One of the communication media that can be used to send a message or idea to other people. And writing is an activity to create a note or to create communication activities aimed at other people in the form of personal information or message in written form. Chapter 2 is Literature Review. A. The nature of writing. Writing is classified as a productive skill, especially in the written form. According to Spratt and Williams, 2003, writing involves the writers to convey their information or message into a text so that it will be understood by others. The information or message which are conveyed should be well planned and organized so that the reader can get the point on what the writers purpose in writing. It can be determined that writing reflects a form of communication to express experience, thought, and emotions in written form. B. Basic types of writing. Brown 2004 proposed the taxonomy of basic writing. This taxonomy involves 4 types of writing arranged from the basic to the complex one presented subsequently. 1. Imitative writing, 2. Intensive writing, 3. Responsive writing, and 4. Extensive writing. Next, C. Stage in writing process. Harmer 2004 defines writing process as the stage which writers take to create their idea to become their final written product. So 2002 state that 3 stages externally imposed on students by teachers during teaching writing. First is responding, 2 is evaluating, and 3 is post-writing. Okay, next, the benefits of writing. The learners get some benefits of writing that affect their social development. Writing is not only viewed as a means of sharing ideas and information, but also a way to improve and develop them. According to Windarto 2012, he notes 6 benefits of writing for the learner. 1. The improvement of learners' writing depending on their writing practice. 2. The language acquisition and learning of learners are enhanced by writing through their experiment. 3. The evaluation of the students' learning and conscious development of their language are obtained by the learner in writing. 4. The learners' written records will help them prevent hiding the truth to themselves and encouraging honest appraisal. 5. Possible delivery of a message from one place to another is by writing. And 6. Learners are required to be stronger thinkers since the writing involves them having mental discipline and getting close attention towards a set of logical rules. E. Photograph. The use of photographs aims to help teachers in giving the students support during writing. Since they can be used as a way to generate the ideas in writing. According to Peskova 2008, the developing of learners' imagination can be observed through illustration by using pictures. She also stated that pictures as ideal way to reflect reality, especially photographs, which are kinds of authentic source and truly illustrate situations, events, portraits of person, and so many others. Usually, photographs surely can help the students remember the detail about people, place, and events. They capture anything such as the characterizations and the appearance and the sequences of events. Next, previous study. First, from Maharani 2019, using photograph sequences in teaching writing array context for junior high school students. The difference is from the model and the topic. The previous proposal using photograph sequence to compose a context, while my proposal using photograph, that is only one photo, and is intended to enhance students' writing skill in general, not only context. The second, from Al-Qadri 2017, the effectiveness of using photograph in teaching writing, and the difference is from the subject and method. The previous proposal aimed at senior high school Kaula Kalimantan Tengah and using 2 classes. There are 10C as the experimental group using photographs and 10D as the control group using conventional media. This research employed quasi-experimental design, while my proposal only used 1 class in 7B and using action research design. Next, from Hilda 2017, the use of personal photograph as media in teaching writing descriptive text to the second grade students of MTS Negeri Goa. The differences is from the model of teaching writing and the topic. The previous proposal using personal photographs means use a photo of themselves to find out the effectiveness of student ability in writing descriptive text, while my proposal using others' photograph and is intended to enhance students' writing skill in general, not only descriptive text. Okay, next, chapter 3, research methodology. The context of the study. The research will be conducted in Delanggu Junior High School. The school is located in Segunung Delanggu, Mojokerto. The subject of the study is students in the 7th grade class B or in 7B at Delanggu Junior High School in the academic year 2021-2022. Time and place. For time, I use February until June, and the place is in Delanggu Junior High School, Gunung Mojokerto. For planning, I use 2 months, that is February and March, and data collection, I use 3 months, that is April, May, and June. And the data analyzing and reporting, I use 2 months, that is May and June. Next, research design. This study is an action research study in nature. According to Abud, action research is a study conducted systematically by a group of participants as a way to improve the quality of education by using particular actions and reflections on those actions. Sources of the data. For information, the students and English teacher is the 7th grade class B. And events, classroom teaching activities. Technique of collecting data. Testing and evaluating the students' writing by conducting some tests called pre-test and post-test. And the result of the students' writing in those 2 tests will be assessed and evaluated. Next, technique of analyzing data. Testing and evaluating the students' writing called pre-test and post-test using descriptive statistics. Conclusion and data verification means search for the meaning on and provide an explanation of the data. After that, verification is carried out to test the correctness, robustness, and suitability the meanings that emerge from the data. Okay, next, technique of validating data. Time triangulation. The data are collected at one point in time or over a period of time to get sense of what are involved in the process of the change. Triangulation of source, cross-checking the data obtained with informants or other informants. Triangulation of methodological, comparing information or data in different ways. It can be using interviews, classroom observation, and questionnaire. Okay, next, the research procedure. This action will be conducted in 2 cycles depending on the student's enhancement writing performance. There are some steps that must be followed in each cycle. The steps modified from Burns and in Madhya will be used in this research. Okay, there are 2 cycles. Cycle 1, determining thematic concern, planning, action and observation, and last reflection. And cycle 2, revise plan, action and observations, and reflections. Okay, and the last, this is references. Okay, I think enough for my explanation today about my proposal, and I hope my explanation can be understood. The last say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.